Our department in our fictitious company, Starwave, is going to be creating and managing our own SharePoint site. So let's start by taking a quick tour around the SharePoint homepage. In the upper right-hand corner of the page, you'll see your username when you're logged in. Here you can change your own settings, personalize the page, and sign out of the site. Each SharePoint team site comes with a default page layout. It's really easy to customize the page, including the site image, as we've already done here. The main body of the page is comprised of lists, including announcements, calendar, and links. The row of tabs along the top is called the top link bar, and it holds links to other sites. Each time we create a new subsite or workspace, we have the option of having its link displayed here. On the left is the Quick Launch bar, where you'll find links to other areas of the site, such as to pictures, our shared documents, and other lists, plus discussions, sites, and new in version 3, a recycle bin at the bottom. The Quick Launch bar can be modified. The site owner or designer can add and remove links and even change their order. Let's take a look at our shared documents. Team members may create new or upload existing documents to this library to make them available to other members for editing and review. The library also displays metadata, such as the modified date and time and the name of the person who modified the file. This view is easily changed by the site designer or owner by clicking the Settings button. For instance, we could create a new column, and we'll show you how to do that in another clip. Files in a document library may be checked out, preventing others from changing or editing the document at the same time we are. To check out a file, just hover over the file and then click on the drop-down arrow. Then click Check Out. When files are checked out, the icon for the file changes. Others can point to the icon or hover over it to see who has checked the file out. When the file is checked back in, other team members will be able to see the changes and any comments made. This information can be found in the document's version history. Each version of the document is numbered. Previous versions can be restored. Simply point to the version you wish to restore, click the drop-down arrow next to it, and then click on Restore. In this case, we won't. You can use the breadcrumb navigation at the top of the window to return to your starting place or to a previously viewed page. To stay updated on changes happening in the library, we can subscribe to RSS feeds or alerts. These are found by clicking the Actions button in the document library. There may be documents in the library that are more sensitive than others. You can restrict the access level of certain documents by changing its permissions. Hover over the document, and from the drop-down list, click Manage Permissions. Permission levels are maintained by the site owner, but you can change the permissions for a specific document. In this example, we want to change what team members can do with this document. Check the box, then click Actions, then Edit User Permissions. In this instance, we're restricting their permission from Contribute to Read-Only Access, but for this document only. Now, back to our shared documents. New in version 3.0 of SharePoint Services is the ability to recover a deleted file. Files that are deleted may be recovered in the recycle bin, similar to the one on your Windows desktop. Team members can stay up to date by using the SharePoint Calendar. Move around the calendar using the navigation controls in the upper left-hand corner. SharePoint is more tightly integrated with Microsoft Outlook today. This calendar may be connected to and synchronized both ways with an Outlook calendar from the Actions menu. We're going to walk through this procedure in more detail in a separate clip. And remember, as the site grows, it'll be a challenge to easily locate the content you're looking for. Each site comes with its own search tool, found in the upper right-hand corner. Type the keyword or phrase you're looking for, and the results display any content related to your search phrase. And as with Google or Yahoo, you can follow the link to the document. Well, that concludes our quick site tour. In separate clips, we'll be taking a more in-depth look at these and other features found in SharePoint 3.0.